So number 26, a quarry blasting method wherein succession of charges are fired in a borehole to open a chamber. A. Kriging. B. Coyote blasting. C. Chambering. Or D. Ditching. Kung answer diri sir kay chambering, which is ang chambering kay pag-process na siya sa paghimo og underground chambers. Tapos ang kriging kay statistical method sa iyang ginagamit sa geostatics. Tapos ang coyote kay term to may refer to specific blasting technique. Tapos ang ditching kay process na siya sa pag-excavate sa mga trenches or ditches sa ground drainage para sa paghimo sa ground for drainage. So 27, a method of loading blast holes in which the explosive charge is separated by steaming or air cushion. A. Bulk loading. B. Dick loading. C. Column loading. Or D. Normal loading. So, ang answer dito sir kay dick loading, which is ang dick loading kay placing explosive charges in multiple places within a blast hole. Tapos ang bulk man kay loading explosive directly into the blast holes without individual packaging. O ang column kay column loading kay loading a single column of explosive into a blast hole. Excuse me. And D, ang loading normal kay standard method of loading individual cartridge. So B ako answer, dick loading. So number 28, method of blasting in coal mines where hollow cylinders are charged with liquid CO2 method. CO2 under a pressure of 2,000 pounds per inch squared. So A, air ducts. B, Hercudet. C, Nonel. Or D, Cardox. Kung answer ani sir kay Cardox, which ginag-utilize siya sa mga pressurized nga mga liquid nga CO2 to induce hydraulic fracturing and fragmentation sa mga rock masses. So 29, inert materials placed after the explosive charge used to confine explosive energy. A. Steaming. B. Drill cutting. C. Clay. Or D. Sand. Which ang ako answer dito sir kay steaming. Kaya ang steaming, process na siya sa pag-place sa imong mga inert material nga tinatawag nato og steaming material, which ang kanang babaw nga portion kay na dito ang mga blast hole after loading legs into the top portion of a blast hole after loading the explosive charge. So steaming ang mga inert materials. So number 30, excuse me. It is defined as an explosive susceptibility to ionization. A. Blasting gelatin. B. Sensitivity. C. Water resistance. Or D. Blasting agent. Ako answer this sir kay sensitivity, which is the ease with which can explosive material can be initiated or denotated. Kay ang question dito sir kay karon gyapon explosive susceptibility to initiate. So number 31, it is the percentage of nitroglycerin in the straight nitroglycerin dynamite that produce the same deflection of the ballistic mortar as an equal weight of explosive. A. Grade strength. B. Density. C. Weight strength. Or D. Detonation velocity. Which ang answer na ko sir kay grade strength. Kaya ang grade strength kay isa nag-characterize siya sa the power and the effectiveness of dynamite formulation. So number 32, a kind of control or contour blasting. A. Cushion blasting. B. Secondary blasting. C. Boulder blasting. Or D. Correctional blasting. So pag may tag cushion blasting, which is ang akong answer ang number sa 32, kay kuha na siya mga layer, ginagamit niya mga layer or often sand or mud niya, ginabutang niya sa mga explosive charge and the rock surface to be blasted para blasting. So cushion blasting ang answer. So 33, In open pit mine planning, what do you call the factor used in converting the volume of material into weight or tonnage? Ang answer diri sir kay tonnage factor, which is letter D. Tapos ang mga choices diri kay A, optimal weight, B, swell factor, C, volume ratio, or D, tonnage factor. Kung mga tag-tonnage factor, kay mo ni siya ang sa volume sa imong rock ma-produce per unit of explosive energy expended. So number 34, a smooth blasting method in which cracks for the final contour are created by blasting prior to the drilling of the rest of the holes for the blast patterns. A, perimeter blasting, B, pre-splitting, C, smooth blasting, or D, secondary blasting. So answer dito sir kay pre-splitting, which is ang B. Kay ginagamit niya siya sa mga mining o sa civil engineering para mapa-improve ang mga stability o ang control pod sa atong rock fragmentation during sa atong excavation. So 35. The line defining the area in which open pit operation may be conducted to obtain the maximum amount of ore material and minimum amount of waste material. So A, optimum pit limit, B, bench slope, C, gradient, or D, none of this. So answer this sir kay optimum pit limit, which is mo ni siya ang boundary or contour that delineates the most economic viable extent of an open pit mine. So 36 kay a designation given to a delay detonator to show its relative or absolute delay time in a given series. A, delay elements, B, delay period, C, delay series, or D, delay interval. So ang answer dito sir kay delay period, which ang delay period kay siya the intention time gap between the initiation of detonation of explosives in different blast holes within a blasting pattern. So 37, in open pit mining, what do you call the distance between blast holes and the space between the row of blast holes in a shot blast? So ang choices diri kay drill pattern, B, blast throw, C, bench heave, or D, blast burden. So according sa akong research sir, ang answer diri kay letter D, which is the blast burden, which is nag-refer siya sa distance sa imong blast hole and the free face of the final wall or the rock or the material to be excavated in the blasting operation. So 38, open pit excavation from which ore is removed by gravity through a race or races connecting to the underground haulage ways. A, glory hole, B, sluicing, C, strip mining, or D, none of this. So ang answer dito sir kay glory hole, which is nag-refer ang glory hole sa mga vertical or near vertical opening sa imong pit excavated from the surface downwards. So 39, it is a maximum slope at which a heap of any loose material stands without sliding when dumped in a pile. A, working slope, B, angle of repose, C, angle of draw, or D, all of the above. So B ako answer sir, which is ang angle of repose na siya. Kaya ang yung angle of repose na siya, the steepest angle at which a pile of granular material remains stable without sliding or cascading downhill. So yun din loose heap of any loose material stand without sliding when dumped in a pan. So B ako answer, angle of repose. So number 40, it is the process wherein large quantities of hot water are introduced through wells drilled into buried deposits of native sulfur. A, in situ leaching, B, cyanidization, C, frost process, or D, acid leaching. So ang answer dito sir kay frost process, which is economically viable method for extracting potash for underground brine deposits. Brine breaking deposits. Brine. So number 41, which of the following physical properties of rock refers to the ratio between the volume of voids or open spaces inside a rock mass and the total volume of said rock material or rock mass? So A, permeability, B, dredging, C, expansion ratio, or D, porosity. So ako answer diri sir kay porosity, which ang porosity kay kuan na siya, refers to the volume fraction of void space in a material, which ang question pod kay nag-refer siya sa ratio between the volume of voids or space nga naa sa imong rock mass. So porosity akong answer. So number 42, which of the following indicates a ferruginous outcrop? So ferruginous, so may iron. So A, hanging wall, B, gusan, C, density, or D, all of the above. So ako answer din sir kay B, which is obvious kay nga gusan. Kay ang gusan, maingon ka gusan kay refers to a distinct and often weathered outcrop or mga deposits sa imong iron oxides nga imong minerals nga na-form dool sa imong surface of ore body. So sa imong 43, so ako number 43 sir, which of the following agency of the Philippines National Police is responsible of issuing blaster foreman's license and regulation of the sale, inventory, and disposal of explosives and explosives ingredients? So A, FEO, B, NBI, C, AFP, or D, BFP. So ako answer diri sir kay FEO, which is Firearms Explosive Office. So sa 44, the vertical distance below bench bottom is called A, burden, B, bench height, C, drill dip, or D, sub-drill. So answer diri sir kay sub-drill, which is naga-refer siya sa practices sa imong drilling holes padulong sa imong intended depth of the main blast holes. So sa 45, during an explosion or blasting, which of the following refers to the pressure that is naturally or automatically transmitted through the atmosphere? So A, air blast, B, sound waved, C, shock waved, or D, none of this. So from the word nga transmitted through the atmosphere, so air blast akong answer, which nag-refer siya sa shock wave generated by the detonation of explosives in a confined space. So 46, which of the following is an ideal synthesizing agents for explosive? So A, carbon, B, iron, C, aluminum, or D, copper. And ako answer dito sir kay aluminum. So 47, which of the following secondary blasting refers to the possession of explosives charged on top of the boulder to be blasted and covering the same with a special material so that the explosive charge does not fly off when detonated? A, hard to blasting, B, mud capping, C, pre-splitting, or D, none of this. Ang answer dira sir kay mud capping, which is ginagamit siya sa layer sa imong mud or clay as a cover over explosive. So ang 48 refers to the documents issued to qualified persons or entities authorizing to purchase and move the controlled chemicals from magazine to the buyer's storage. So choices diri kay letter A, purchaser's license, B, manufacturer's license, C, blaster foreman's license, or D, permit to purchase or move, or PMMA, which is ang answer is letter D. So 49, in tunneling, blasting where multiple drill holes called drill patterns are used. What do you call the drill holes that serves as free phase and therefore not charged with explosives? So A. Relievers. B. Lifters. C. Perimeters, or D. Cut holes or reamers. Which yung answer na ko kay letter D. Kaya ang cut hole or reamers kay parang siya process of creating apertures or opening in various materials. Which is mo the answer sa 49. Tapos for number 50, in tunnel blasting, which of the following has holes of a drill round or pattern are used to throw the blasted muck away from the face? The holes are usually initiated the last among all the holes. So A. Relievers. B. Lifters. C. Perimeters, or D. Cut holes, reamers. Which ang answer diri sir kay letter B. Lifters. Kay it refers to the device or techniques para ma-enhance ang imong fragmentation or ang movement sa imong rock during sa pagblast. So, mga to.